The way we grow and consume food is about to change forever. With the global population expected to reach 10 billion by the year 2050, traditional agriculture simply won't be enough. Deforestation, water scarcity, and greenhouse gas emissions are forcing us to rethink how we feed the world. Enter the future of food, where innovation meets sustainability. First up, vertical farming. Instead of sprawling fields, imagine crops growing in tall climate-controlled towers inside cities. Vertical farming uses stacked layers of crops grown under LED lights in nutrient-rich water systems. The result? Massive food production using 90% less water, no pesticides, and a fraction of the land. It's already happening. Companies like AeroFarms and Plenty are growing leafy greens in warehouses with pinpoint control over light, humidity, and nutrients. These farms are pesticide-free, require less transport, and can be set up near urban centers, reducing the carbon footprint of food miles. Then there's lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat. Traditional meat production is a major source of methane emissions, land use, and animal suffering. But what if you could grow real meat without raising or slaughtering animals? Lab-grown meat starts with a small sample of animal cells. Scientists then grow those cells in bioreactors, providing them with nutrients and oxygen. Over time, they develop into muscle tissue, the same stuff as steak or chicken, just grown without the animal. Companies like Upside Foods and Mosa Meat have already served lab-grown burgers and chicken nuggets. The taste? Real meat, because it is real meat, but made ethically and with a fraction of the environmental impact. Of course, there are challenges. Vertical farming requires high-energy inputs. Lab-grown meat is still expensive and hard to scale, and consumer skepticism remains. But progress is accelerating as tech improves and prices drop. These solutions could become mainstream. Governments are starting to invest, venture capital is flowing, and a new generation of consumers is demanding sustainable, cruelty-free options. This is more than a trend, it's a movement toward a food system that's local, ethical, and built to last. Imagine cities with rooftop farms feeding neighborhoods. Imagine meat that doesn't harm animals or the planet. Imagine a world where food is smarter, safer, and more sustainable. Vertical farming and lab-grown meat won't solve every problem, but they're critical tools in reshaping how we grow, eat, and think about food. The future of food is being grown right now.